All right, question number 18. A cubic function is graphed on the axes below, and then they show it. Which function could represent this graph? If you know how to go from factors to roots, this is super easy. Factors to roots, you just flip the signs, and you can see where it should hit the x-axis. So if I see a factor of -3, it should be hitting the x-axis at +3. It does not, so it's not answer choice 1. Here I see a factor of +3, so this factor means I should have a root at -3. 1, 2, 3. It does have a root at -3. A factor of +1, a root at -1. A factor of -1 means I should have a root at +1. It looks like that it should be answer choice 2. Now, if you're not super confident or you just want to double check yourself, what you can always do is you see f of x equals, or g of x equals, or h of x equals, graph it. Don't just sit there and act confused. Go ahead and graph it. Let's try each of these and see what it looks like. I'm going to make a new page, new graph, and we can just try graphing each of these until we see something that looks like that. X minus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. So f of x equals, parentheses, x minus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. I graph it. It's squiggly like it, but I'm hitting it -1, 1, and 3. This is hitting it -3, -1, and 1. It's not this one. It's not answer choice 1. Let's just hit tab, come back here, delete this thing, and try the next one. The next one was +3 plus 1 minus 1. X plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 1. Graph this, and it looks like I'm hitting at -3, -1, and 1 with like the loop going there and then it going back down and up again. It looks like it is answer choice 2, right? Going up, hitting at -3, down, hitting at -1, and then back up again, hitting at 1. We checked it in the calculator. We saw it by knowing our factors to roots. It is definitely answer choice 2. You can try graphing the others. They're not going to look right, by the way. Just, you feel free to go check them.